Richard and Jan, would you stand? That was a great program last night, and we want you to come back every year. Joe left. Hey Joe, how's it going? Joey. Grand Rapids a send-off, will you?
What can I say? You're all here, and you made this possible. And I'm so thankful for all of you for doing this for my mom. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and my mom thanks you. Thank you so much.
Randall Malone, our MTV star, stand up. Let's get it. Michelle Pfeiffer. Michelle, where are you? Oh, Michelle Pfeiffer. Hey, love, I'm glad you're 40. The Munchkins. Oh, you good. Stand up, Gary, Margaret, Carl, Clarence, Myrna. Let's give them a big hand. This is big time, guys. Bob and Claire Baum, grandson of Frank Baum, stand up, kid. Kelly from England, where's Kelly? Kelly, stand up. This is our longest guest from England. Kelly. And we have a relative of Judy's. It's Judy's sister's granddaughter. Where is she? Okay, stand up. Judy's sister's granddaughter, right here. And you know, whenever you put a plan together and you have a lot of people, it's always, you have the food and you have to make sure everybody has a good time. And this Grand Rapids is a very special town because it's a town of under 10,000 people, and because of Judy Garland, over the last 25 years, we have really talked a lot about Judy Garland and about the Wizard of Oz, and as most of you know, the Wizard of Oz has been seen by 2 billion people all over the world. And the Wizard of Oz, even though the people on the other side of the world didn't understand the English, they understood the warmth and the caring of the Wizard of Oz. And that's what we're here for. And I'm here because, with my brother, Doug. Doug is the president of the Judy Garland Festival. And our mom used to babysit Judy Garland, and that's why we're here, to make sure that we have this tradition, and to have the people that we've had here has been really incredible, especially on all our programs, all the things everybody has done. But the most important thing are the fans, you fans that are here. And we're hoping you come back again, and I'd like to have you fans, all our clients that are Judy Garland believers, stand up. Stand up, and let's give a hand. This is great. Yes, sir.
Today, we take pictures of Miss Margaret O'Brien sitting in Judy's carriage from the Emerald City, holding the ruby slipper.
Oh, yeah. I got it.
You know, where else could you see the carriage that was drawn by the horse of a different color that was owned by Abraham Lincoln? You talk about a valuable piece of treasure. This is the piece.
We had three treasures.
We have three
The shoes and the carriage.
right. We have a lot of treasures here, but we're hoping that you'll all come back again because we're going to try to do it bigger and better and try to have all our friends back again and enjoy it because that's what life's about. And everybody has been so warm. We felt this was our best program. We had the right people and we had so many stars. It was so much fun. Everybody enjoyed it. Let's give ourselves a hand.